Several apology studies conducted in the field of linguistics have based their results on a corpus of collected data. This research, entitled An Investigation of Apology Strategies Used by Filipino Business Management Learners, has considered the use of raw and natural events to investigate the societal and contextual factors that might have affected the apology strategies used by the participants. In the field of pragmatics, the concept of speech acts plays a significant role. Generally, speech act puts a premium on how words can elicit actions using performative verbs. Austin in 1975 proposed the three levels of utterances, which are locutionary, or the act of producing the words or sentences; illocutionary, which is the meaning conveyed by the production of sounds; and perlocutionary, which is the effect of the utterance on the hearer or listener, which is in the form of an action. In this paper, we will focus on the second type, which is illocutionary, and under its category is expressives, which includes the act of apologizing. Although several studies have provided considerable scrutiny on apology strategies across diverse languages and cultures, little is known as to how Filipino learners perform the speech act of apologizing. This is what the present study aims to investigate. Specifically, it aims to examine the apology strategies Filipino business management learners use. This study as well adapts the framework of Cohen and Alstein's classification of different types of apology strategies, namely the use of IFID or illocutionary force indicating device, explanation or account, taken on responsibility, an offer of repair, and a promise of forbearance. This study uses descriptive statistics and qualitative approach to research in gathering the data and interpreting the results. A total number of 50 Filipino learners in the accountancy and business management strand participated in the present study. It also needs to be noted that in this institution where the learners are studying, both English and Filipino are the media of instruction. The primary data collection tool that was used by the researchers was the Oral Discourse Completion Task, or ODCT, which required the participants to give their responses orally to the 6 role-play scenarios. Also, as a supplementary material, the researchers have given written discourse completion tasks to the participants in which they give their responses in written forms. After the researchers have submitted a letter of approval to the heads of the school, they have given out the consent forms to the participants and have administered the ODCT while they are doing the audio recording. The researchers also followed the chronological order in analyzing the data. First, they have transcribed the responses coming from the participants, and they have coded these using Cohen and Alstein's classification of the different types of apology strategies. After interpreting the data, the researchers have come up with the following results. The table here indicates the frequency and percentage distribution of the different apology strategies used by the students in 6 scenarios. As seen in Table 1, it can be noted that the use of IFID got the highest percentage of 32%, which means that this is the most preferred apology strategy used in various contexts. Considering this, it may be safe to argue that the participants are explicit or direct when asking for an apology. Furthermore, as seen in the figure, the presence of the combination of the strategies used by the respondents is also worth discussing. The most common combination noted are the following. First, the use of IFID plus explanation plus an offer of repair, and an explanation plus an offer of repair, or IFID plus an offer of repair again. From the above-mentioned standpoints, 4 implications can be drawn. First, curriculum planners must incorporate learning competencies in the curriculum guide targeting the pragmatic use of language. Second one, textbook writers could consult a body of corpora in choosing context-dependent utterances. Third, language teachers to address the possible drawbacks of studying different speech acts. And fourth, this paper could contribute to the limited corpus of apology strategies that Filipinos can use in various contexts. Thank you.